Bitcoin, we're starting to push up here. It can drop one level lower within this B. I've got an A, B, C forming, looking for 68.99 to 70.93 for the two of the final C wave down to the 3400 region in Bitcoin. And just zooming that out for a moment to the 4-hour chart. So off the top of the B wave, five down to here for the one. A, B, C is what I'm looking for this two. And then we start the 3 down. And if I just zoom the chart back up, you can see down here is what I'm looking for, this 3,500 level, and that then ties up with the fibs on the daily chart for all of the larger degree fourth wave before we start a much bigger move to the upside in Bitcoin. Ethereum, what I can't tell with Ethereum is whether this 4 is in, more likely A, B, C, and then we come down in this final fifth. Ideal target for Ethereum is 124.94 to complete the wave 4 before we go a lot higher in Ethereum. And then Ripple, which was the one that started to look like it was going to take off last week, it's coming down nice and strongly now, which is helping with the idea that we're still going to get this last low down to at least 0.2137 for the 4 here. In a diagonal fashion. So off the B, 1, 2, 3, we hit the 138.2 here, 4 came back up to the 786, and we're coming down strongly again next in Ethereum, Ripple even. Okay, we do have an hourly squeeze that's fired long on the ES and a 2-hour squeeze that's building up that should also fire long if we can continue a little higher. So watching that as well this morning.